So yeah, so we are out here on Lake X, about to catch us some big old bass. Got our first fish today of the good pond. Got us a little 1-pounder. Look at that. Hit it right over there in that brush pile. Ooh. So there we go, first fish. Caught on the little jerkbait. Got another bass right here. Ooh, football. Ooh, crap, dude. He's fighting. Boat flip. Nice little male. Oh, he ate a little shiner too. Probably, because all the females are spawning. We got to get to that next lake. Anyway, here's fish number 2. Right there. Get y'all with another fish. Cole's got one right here. Oh. Came off. He got off. Yep. All right, never mind. I'm retying and Cole just got another one. Whew. This is the best lake I've ever fished in my life. Oh, you need me to grab him? Oh, like a 5-pounder?
Yeah. It might be a little bigger than that.
Really?
Uh-huh. Might be big.
Here, you.
Don't worry, I got him.
You got him?
I got him.
Well, he's got a. Oh, she's about 4.
She's like a 4.5, 5.
She's just fighting like a monster. Oh no! That's about a 5-pounder.
Well, she looks good.
Okay.
We're gonna need pictures.
All right.
Oh yeah. Just turn the motor off. I'm gonna some pictures. You I guess we could take them on my phone since you know the shittiest quality in the entire world.
Yeah, you're right.
Barely Snapchat me a picture, so see what it's of.
Uh-oh.
But I guarantee you it's not nothing like this.
Probably a dead pike.
Oh, he's got a chunky 3, I'd say.
3?
Here, Snapchat a picture of this real quick.
We on Snapchat?
Yeah.
Is it on?
It's on him.
No, it just
Turned off. Phone
yeah.
off.
How do I?
Click the power button. What are you on?
I'm on home screen.
4857.
Okay, YouTube. Everybody knows his phone thing now.
Been that for 7 years now.
How do I do it now? What do I do?
Go to Snapchat. You live in the Stone Age?
No, I just don't know how to. Oh, okay. Okay, there's the okay button. All right.
Hurry up, man. Get this big girl back in the water.
You see that right there? That's a big girl. To Bailey. Here you go. Here, show the YouTubes this fish real quick before I run out of storage. So we got a 5-pounder. This is the first entering fish, and she's spawning too. Look at her bottom fins.
Yeah, she's spawning. I saw that.
All right, man.
I gotta get her back.
All right. Well, that's our first actual good fish of the day. Cole's got another one. Got off.
Hey, there's a big chunk of giraffe.
Ah, another fish. Well, I thought this was a bigger fish, but that's what happens when you catch a 6-pounder. You have to fill in the extra gaps. Plus, this is a dink, and I like dinks. Ain't that right, Cole?
Heck yeah.
Bye-bye.
Whacked it.
Yeah, whacked it. All right, I got another one. Or maybe not too big. Yeah, he ain't too big. Little guy. I foul hooked him. Ooh, I hit him in the eye. Uh-oh.
I probably got him in the face. He just lost in translation there.
All right, there's another little dinker. Dude, they are not biting. Yeah, so I'm heading back right now. We got one big one, but you know, I'm gonna be filming a lot more videos over here now, trying to get some more big fish out of the lake and all that good stuff. Yeah. All right, so we just finished fishing out here on Lake X. Probably the best fishing lake I've ever been on. Caught about a 6-pounder and a couple 3s and a couple small fish also. So yeah, I'm gonna be filming some more videos out here and possibly actually catching a decent basket of fish. But for now, I will see y'all later.